Introducing our lovely Pikaki. She says, my beauty you alone can see. It's like a flower that attracts even the sunlight. For you are the choice of the flowers that I love. Like a flower, you'll always be for me to hold and caress. Lokilani, mine. Introducing our lovely Lokilani, as she says, you are like the flower that I place so close to my skin. My thoughts will always go out to only you, like the lay I will, the lay of our love. Maluia mai. My none. Introducing from a beautiful place where she works, Oha. This is our Maluia. She says, don't tease because you'll always be my one and only. And when I look into your naughty eyes, it's a story that I will always remember. As they come to the end of our story, they say, oh yes, my beauty will attract even the sunlight. For you are the love that I always remember, like the beautiful flower I hold to caress. Ladies and gentlemen, my loving dancers.
Yeah.